way to an Amish sawmill to get lumber for the pool heater. Okay, folks, there's a bald eagle right in front of us.
He's gonna sit in that tree. He wants that bunny.
Yeah. Okay, we're coming up on the sawmill.
Turn left.
They have a greenhouse there, Nancy. They have horses and sheeps and cows.
That doesn't look like an Amish farm there.
No, I would say not.
Here we go. This is it.
Lakewood Lumber.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Going a different way anyhow.
That way. I remember this part.
I don't see anybody out and about.
No. I don't either. Maybe they don't have any scraps. There's back there the big pile last time.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
they got
there's
a
a
look.
big pile.
They have it in bins. Oh, there's the
That's a pile. See if someone comes.
I'm going to load up and leave $20 somewhere.
Okay. There's somebody there, I think. There's a truck. I don't know which pile. If we want that one or that one. Looks like we want that one.
Where did you see somebody?
I thought the truck was sitting there, but because maybe we want that pile there, the fresher looking stuff.
Yeah, I would.
Well, let's go there. Or do you want to drive back to the house?
Yeah, usually they were out. Well, last time we were here, they were a sawmill.
Well, they have those little cages back there too. Maybe you buy a cage.
That'd be great. They could just stick it right on the.
Maybe there's nobody home. Wonder what you do then.
Well, I'd just load up and leave them $20 somewhere with a note. I saw smoke coming out of there. I'm gonna try here.
Maybe there's someone in the green. There's somebody back there at the greenhouse too, Nancy. I thought.
So this is what I was talking about. You get a truckload for $15, and these are just the ends from their mill. All right, Glory. Thank you. We'll get that pool heated for you. The nice thing with this, coming here to get these ends, they're easy to manage. As opposed to throwing all the big logs into that. of lumber, which I think's fair. Last time I was here, I only had 20. They had no change, and I happen to have 2 10s, and they just charged me $10. So this time, I made up for last time. Here's a horse farm straight ahead. There's the horse farm straight ahead. And I don't think this is Amish. I could be wrong. No, I see, excuse me, I see electric wires going back there. And there are no curtains at an angle. So I believe this is an English farm. That's what the Amish call us, English. But it really is a beautiful horse farm. Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today's the day. First fire in the wood barrel heater for the pool. And probably in a couple hours, I'll check the temperature of the water coming out. Okay, we got a truckload of lumber from, or ends from the Amish sawmill. We'll load the barrel up, get it nice and hot. The flue's working. I do believe I did it. Well, we cleaned the pool yesterday. A storm came in, and now it needs cleaned again. I thought I had a thermometer for the pool. However, it got thrown out, so I just ran up to True Value and bought one. They didn't have a pool thermometer, but this will do. It's an inside-outside. And so right now the temperature of the pool is 64 degrees. The wood barrel has only been on for about 20 minutes. So let's just see what the temperature of the water is coming out. It was going in at 64. All right, right now it's at 70, coming out at 70. I want it to come out at 120 degrees. So we'll see how long it takes to do this. You know, the fire is not at its full potential yet. So we'll see. Looks like we got a good fire going in there. I will just close her up. Well, I'm here at the outtake of the hot water coming into the pool. It's been on all day. I've had it packed, and